In the next phase of wellbeing teams, we're working with radical commissioners and also people with personal budgets. And in Lancashire, we're working with people with personal health budgets to recruit a wellbeing team just around them. So yesterday I spent the day with Sharon, who's going to be leading on recruitment with us in Lancashire, to design the process for doing this. So we want to build on what we've already done successfully with value-based recruitment and from best practice nationally and internationally, and then work with our co-production partners to hopefully take that to the next level. So some of the things that we've been exploring is, how do you create a truly personalised could this be you or person specification? We've used a general values-based one for our work with wellbeing teams in phase 1, and now that needs to be personalised to the individuals we're supporting. And then role description, how do we take the general role of a wellbeing worker and customise it for the individual we're supporting? We've been thinking hard as well about how to explore decision making for each stage of the process. So we've developed a decision making agreement that goes through step by step of our recruitment process, how we're tailoring it to the individual, but who makes decisions at each point. So for example, we are using a workshop format instead of interviews, and the person can decide the day of the week and whether it's morning or afternoon to fit around with them and their energy levels, assuming they want to be part of the workshop. But for our process, we know that has to be, for example, in week 4 of our recruitment campaign. So how do we make decisions like that together? And of course, the person making the final decision on their team. Even things like in our recruitment workshop, we use what-if cards, and these are scenarios that people might come up against in home care, and looking at how we can personalise those to the individual's experience. So we have some standard values cards that reflect the values of the organisation, and some what-if cards that we know are things that we want to explore, how people would respond. But also then having half the cards being the personal issues that the individual wants to check out how future team members might respond to. So this feels really exciting. It feels like it's going back to some of our roots in person-centred thinking, using matching staff, but then taking that to the next level and really embedding co-production in the whole of the process. So looking forward to hearing back from my co-production partners about how we can take that further, and most importantly, testing it and learning about it further in Lancashire.